From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. I'm Tyler Hughes with your Campus Weather Service forecast on this election day. Let's start with a live look over our weather stem camera at Beaver Stadium at this hour. You're seeing lots of blue skies and only a few clouds around to start your Tuesday. A temperature of 43 degrees here in State College. A few more clouds in Altoona and Selinsgrove. Selinsgrove actually still hanging on to the 30s this morning, but believe it or not, these temperatures are above what we were seeing yesterday at this time. Check this out, 16 degrees higher than it was 24 hours ago in Allentown for the temperature. The temperature is 10 degrees higher in Bradford than it was 24 hours ago and 14 degrees higher in Erie as well. So it's warming up already compared to yesterday, and temperatures will quickly climb up, maybe even into the 70s as we head toward this afternoon. This is why the radar satellite is mostly clear across the area. I think picking up on some low-level fog, especially in some places like the Laurel Highlands and over in Altoona as well, but that will quickly clear out, seeing lots of sunshine today, and that's what will enable our temperatures to climb up well above average to the tune of 10 to 20 degrees. But this cold front is waiting off to our west. That will be our next weather maker. As this high pressure moves out, this cold front will move in and bring the chance for really just an isolated shower tomorrow later on in the day. So today is election day if you're heading out to the polls at any point today. Polls are already open. They opened at 7 a.m. across Pennsylvania. A cool start this morning, but will warm up to the 70-degree mark, if not above the 70-degree mark by lunchtime, with a few clouds around, some of those puffy fair weather cumulus clouds. And by this evening, by the time polls close, it will be breezy at times as that front approaches, and temperatures will be in the 60s overnight. Just a reminder, polls are open until 8 o'clock this evening in Pennsylvania, and you can stay in line as long as you're in line by 8 p.m. Stay in line in order to make your voice heard. That's very important responsibility here in our democracy. Temperatures across the area this morning will be, or this afternoon rather, will be in the 70s, even the 80s in some places. 82 are high for today in Pittsburgh, so well above average for this time of year when we're really only expecting high temperatures in the 50s in November. This evening will cool off, but lows will still be well above average for this time of year in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, and that's when we'll begin to see the front approach overnight tonight and early on tomorrow morning. You can see 7 o'clock, some showers beginning in western Pennsylvania and then gradually moving towards central Pennsylvania as we head toward midday. I do think that these showers begin to lose some steam and some moisture source as they head towards central Pennsylvania. And so this is why I think tomorrow we could see only the chance for an isolated shower really throughout the day. Still would have your umbrella with you, maybe your rain jacket too, but it certainly won't be any of the drought-busting rain that we really need. As this front continues to push through, we'll see rain showers clear out overnight tomorrow evening, and it will dry out. Temperatures still remaining above average. As I said, we are in a drought status across portions of Pennsylvania, a moderate to severe drought across through the Lehigh Valley and into the Philadelphia metro area, and then also a severe drought status in portions of the Pittsburgh metro area as well. We really need all the rain we can get, and unfortunately, as this cold front sweeps through, really only bring 1/10 of an inch, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain to portions in western Pennsylvania, and I do think some areas in eastern Pennsylvania could even stay dry as that front rolls through. Now, in terms of temperatures, it will knock down our temperatures just a little bit. Tomorrow, I think highs still in the 70s, but then once that front rolls through, high temperatures will remain in the upper 50s to low 60s for the end of the week and as we head into the weekend as well. The end of the week and into the weekend looking to remain a calm pattern. When we take a look at the upper air heights here, where you see these oranges and yellows, this is an upper level ridge, and this is indicative of relatively calm, relatively mild weather with temperatures above average. So this is Saturday, right? The whiteout game, we're looking to be mostly dry and temperatures remaining above average. But then as we head towards Sunday into Monday here, you see this upper level trough work in, this little dip of the blues and greens here, and that is indicative of a pattern change. Temperatures closer to average, and we could even see some precipitation heading into next week. We're also tracking the tropics as well. It's important to point out that hurricane season goes until November 30th, and the tropics still have some punches left to pull here. This is now Tropical Storm Raphael with winds of 60 miles per hour as of the last National Hurricane Center update, beginning to see some more organization than it did did yesterday, and the National Hurricane Center does have this forecast to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane, then actually weaken back into a tropical storm. The Gulf of Mexico has cooled off dramatically over the past few weeks in terms of surface temperatures, and so we think that the cooler water will weaken this storm just a little bit into a tropical storm, but still, as we head into the weekend, Saturday here, we could be seeing some tropical storm impacts along portions of the Gulf Coast, along Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. So that's something we'll watch very closely as we head into this weekend. Here at home, temperatures this weekend will be in the upper 50s for the most part, 60s to end off this week. But then when we get Sunday into Monday, that's when we could see a pattern change with a chance for some more showers on the way. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm Tyler Hughes. I hope you have a great day and a good election day.